Today we're going to be doing a full load test on the Genmax GM3200i. We're going to change the oil first before we do the load test. We'll get all the old metal shavings out of it. This generator has been ran, and now we're going to change the oil so we can do the test. Let's get started. First thing you're going to do if you have this generator is you have to pull off the spark plug access. It kind of overlaps the side a little bit. Get these two screws off. You don't have to bother removing this. Just pull it out. It's 3 little clips on the bottom. All right, let's get that out. Be careful, the screws will fall off. They are not retained. Get your funnel. Tilt the generator back a little bit. Get that off. Get the dipstick off and attach your funnel. Make sure you don't cross thread, just attach it. There you go. The reason we're going to use this to drain the oil is because this does not have a spout directed for the oil drain. So you have to use this. Get it to the edge of your table. So once you get it to the edge of your table, you just tip the generator. And all the oil comes out. I don't know if you can see all the metal flakes in there. That's why I changed this oil in 30 minutes to an hour. Get that out of your generator. All right, we're gonna add the new oil and head straight to the test. Okay guys, we got the new oil in, got the level right to the top of the dipstick screws. That's where you want your oil on these generators. Just double check that you're putting the right amount and everything should be okay. Let's lock everything up and get the test started. Get your dipstick on. Be real careful not to cross thread this dipsticks. Okay. And you can put your spark plug cover back on, and everything's good. Okay guys, we got the Genmax all hooked up and ready to go. Genmax 3200. Remember, this one claims it has 2800 running watts. 3200 starting, 2800 running. So we're gonna see if we can get 2800 out of this generator. Right now it's putting out right at 123 volts. Perfect. That's right where you want to be. Let's do a no load dB test. Getting right about 56.3, 56.4 on the dB test, no load. Let's get everything hooked up. We can do a half load dB test, and then we'll do a full load once we get everything turned on. It's kind of cool today. I don't know if I'll be able to do the AC, but I'll get the load with the heaters. Okay guys, we got everything hooked up. Power's going through. All right, let's get in there and turn on the first load. We're gonna turn on the refrigerator and the microwave. Let's get to half load so we can do a sound test at 50%. Turn all the lights on. Let's see what kind of power this thing puts out. All right, nice pure sine wave, real clean. Wow, real good. No distortion. It's probably less than 3% right there. Let's turn on the stove. We'll get it to right about 50% and we'll do a sound test. Pulling that right about close to 1,000 watts, 948. Right about 58 dBs. All right, let's check that water. And boiling water. Okay, guys, we got the refrigerator on. See that? That's on. Let's check the microwave. We have some water in here. Let's do 1 minute. All right, now we're pulling some power. 1.7. Let's do a dB test right there. 1.7, that's about half. $63 dB. 63.2. Alright. Okay guys, so we're going to try to get to that 2800 watts. Make sure this generator can put out 2800 watts, okay? I'm going to turn on this heater. It's a 1500 watt heater. Okay, and I'm going to turn on the stove to kind of try to match it. Let's see where we at. Okay, 2600. That's already more than the other ones. Okay, let's see a full load dB test. Right about 67.9 full load. Let's see if we can get 2800. Right at 27. No overload light yet. Okay, I see that overload light. 2,802. Okay, 2,820 watts. Overload light is flashing. All right, man. So it puts out its power. Let's see the dB test right at overload. 69, 70. So this thing puts out its power, guys. And 118 volts at full load. Power didn't drop. See that? Rated power. And perfect voltage. 24.4 amps. Wow, absolutely passed. All while holding a perfect sine wave. Okay guys, the Genmax GM3200. Okay, this thing puts out its power. Absolutely smooth power. We got the full 2,800. Okay, I saw it go all the way up to 3,000 watts. That's where it shut off. Didn't want to overload it yet, but as you can see, it did put out its power. And in my book, that's a pass. It's a little louder than the others, but it puts out its power. For the price, that is good. Okay guys, thanks for watching my channel. Guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. We just reviewed the Genmax 3200. This thing does put out its rated power. Really, really good. We got all the way up to 2,800 watts on this generator. It's rated for 2,800. That's good. Guys, like I said, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.